Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Have you ever watched the news on TV, read newspaper, or check news on a website? Or maybe you search news on TikTok? Well, today we are going to learn about a type of text in English that called news item text. So, let me introduce myself. My name is Mayrista Eka Zulfania and you can call me Miss Mai. So, in this video, we will learn about what news item text is, the purpose of news item text, and the generic structure and also language feature in news item text. So stay with me until the end of this video. Let's get started. So first, before we start, let me ask you, where do we usually find news? Newspaper, televisions, and website? All of this media can share information about important events that happen around us. So, what is news item text? Now, let's talk about the definitions. News item text is a type of text that informs readers about events of the day. Usually, these events are important or newsworthy, which means they are considered interesting or significant for the public to know. For example, accidents, natural disaster, sport events, or other important incidents. So next, what is purpose of news item text? So what purpose of news item text is to inform the readers about important events that happened recently. Through news, people can stay updated and understand what is happening in their community or even around the world. And next is the generic structure of news item text. What is the generic structure of the item text? Let's move it. The first is main event. The first part is called main event or newsworthy event. This part tells us the main information about the news. It usually appears at the beginning of the text. For example, a fire broke out in a shopping mall in Surabaya on Monday evening. This sentence tells us what happened in the news. The second is background event. Background event is explain more details about the events. It's like who has involved, where it's happened, when it's happened, and how it happened. For example, the fire started from the food court area and quickly spread to other sections of the mall. Firefighter arrived with 15 minutes. This helps readers understand the event more clearly. And the last is search. The last part is search. These sections include statements or opinions from people involved in the event, such as witnesses or officials. For example, we managed to control the fire in less than 2 hours, said the head of the fire department. Adding search makes the news more reliable and trustworthy. And what is the language feature of news item text? First is action verb. Action verbs are verbs that show action done by the subject. For example, run, play, study, eat, and sleep. And the example of the sentence an action verb is Ginting and Kevin are playing badminton in Tokyo Olympic 2020. The word playing show action verb. The second is saying verb. Saying verb are used to report what someone said. For example, said, told, report, state. For example, the head of the search and research agency said that 34 people have died and 60 are still being searched. This verb helped journalists acquire information from searches. Third is past tense. Use past tense because it reports events that already happened. For example, the accident happened on Sunday morning. The word happened showed that the event took place in the past. Alright everyone, now we have learned about what purpose, the generic structure, and also the language feature, and also the what is news item text is. So I hope this video helps you understand news item text better. And thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next learning video. Bye.